Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. As you can see, I've been to CVS and I have done 2 separate laundry deals. This week at CVS, select items, spend 20, get 5 extra bucks, and these were items that were included in that deal. The limit is 1 and that's why I only have 2 up here. I have 3 or 4 more cards that I gotta go through. On the first one, I purchased the Tide liquid for $12.99 and the pods I picked up for $12.99 as well. I attached a $3 Tide Pods digital coupon, a $3 Tide laundry detergent coupon. I had a $4 off of your next purchase that came via email, which is how I paid. But I also had a 2 off of 12 laundry detergent, and that laundry detergent CRT is actually for just the basics and total home. So I don't know how it attached, but I got it. I was lucky and happy for that. So I also used 21 cents in the 2% back rewards. My subtotal was $13.77. My taxes were $1.58 for a grand total of $15.35. I put $13.79 of it on a gift card, and I put $1.56 on another gift card. And I got my $5 extra buck. Show you the receipt. Here are the items. And there are the 5 extra bucks. Then I did the deal on a second card. On this card, I did not have the 2 off of 12, just the basics and total home laundry CRT. So the deal went as follows. I picked up 2 air wicks. This week they are $3.94 a piece. And I also picked up the 1 Tide Pods for $12.99. I paired up the $3 digital Tide Pod, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze. And then I had another email for $4 off your next purchase. I used 70 cents in the 2% extra rewards, and my grand total was $9.87. I had $1.29 in taxes for a grand total of $11.16, and I did put that on a gift card. And here's the receipt. You see all the items, what I paid, and the 5 extra bucks. So for my first order that I did, my first transaction, if you pair in the $13.77 plus the $4 CRT that I had, or extra care email that it sent me, that totals to $17.77. Minus the 5 that I got back, it's $12.77. For the second one, I paid $13.87 minus the 5. What's that, like $8 maybe? This is all I have for you on this video. I am going back to CVS because one of my cards did give me an email of $7 off of a $70 purchase. There are a couple of items that I can pair up and put together at the store to come up with a $70 purchase and see what I get out of pocket. That video will be up probably tomorrow or Saturday. Hopefully I can get it up tomorrow and get the rest of these deals done on my cards. Otherwise, that's all I have for you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.